Hi, I'm Garrett Johns.
Edward Zhao.
We are in Computer Science 193, the STEM Incubator course this semester, fall 2013. Under the direction of Dr. Burg, we are working with digital sound and media in Max. MSP is the program that we use.
And we are using remote sensing using this Connect camera from Xbox. It will trigger a patch in Max which would track our body joints. And we're going to show you how that works first before we go into our program.
All right.
So here, the camera. Here's the camera, and the input goes into the Mac. And see here, there's a little window here.
That's us.
Yup. And here's the patch. Okay, so this human body, all these joints can be tracked, and the coordinates can be sent into our program for later use. And I'll show you how it tracks my body. Okay, here it is.
So it's tracking his body right there. It's tracking his right hand, so that's his coordinates in relation to
the upper window.
and then the upper window. Okay. And this is the program right here. Just hit the first node.
Program.
So what we do is we have the input, and I'll see if I can point these out for you, of where his hand is, and that's feeding in right over here. Yep, right there, and you can see the numbers. Oh, maybe not. It's the worst video I've ever made. Yep. Okay, so there's the number right there of where his hand is, and that is moving in to trigger our note values right here, which we have in a list. Pop it down. So those are the coordinates that we want the user to hit, which will trigger the notes that we have all put in, and those are MIDI notes. So each note is 60 is middle C, and then these are the rest of the notes that make up Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So as the user matches the number up, it will play a note. And then the user continues to move his hands, and we'll trigger more notes. So one problem that we've encountered is the sensitivity of the coordinates to the user's input, and we found that you have to be fairly accurate as to where you are in relation to next position. So we're trying to figure out a way to get it so if you just pass the note, even if it's quickly, it'll still trigger the note. Because right now it's a little too sensitive, which makes it a bit difficult to use.
Yeah, right now, if I'm next note, I should hit the 150. Well, now it's 0 position. If I pass it real quick like this, it's not going to trigger it. So what I need to do is go really slow, like that. So that's our problem right now, and we are also trying to work out a way that it will sense not just the exact coordinate, but a little range. So once it hit any of the coordinates within that range, it will trigger that sound.